We're presenting to you plasticized galvanized roof trapezoids and small facade trapezoid from the product range of Eurosteel Center from Subotice. Trapezoid profile cladding has applications in a wide range of construction. Because of its excellent properties, it can serve as ceiling, facade or roofing cladding. It has excellent static properties and so is suitable in cases of very large abutment spaces, which minimizes construction costs. It tolerates mild truss gradients of greater than 6 degrees. It's resistant to extreme weather conditions and provides a wonderful appearance. In sandwich construction of ceiling and facade, it provides good building insulation with very simple and low-cost installation. The cladding thickness ranges from 0.5 to 0.8 millimeters and the minimum bearing width is 40 millimeters. Eurosteel roof trapezoids also have anti-condensation protection in the form of a film which adheres to the cladding and prevents water from dripping in the event of vapor condensation inside the building. It has absorptive capacity of 0.8 liters per square meter. All the trapezoids we produce are offered to customers in the full RAL color range, along with RAL sprays in these colors for repairs. We've presented plasticized galvanized roof and facade types TR14 and TR37 from Eurosteel. If you're interested in any of our products, look for us on the internet at www.euro-steel-center.com and find out about our product range. You can also use the opportunity to order from our web shop or our call center on +381 24 664 652. Visit our retail shop in Subotice at 41 Sonja Marinkovic Street. Eurosteel Center. Firm support for your business.